We're out on a job today that's a little bit different. This home behind us was built 20 years ago by Pico. We have the cool opportunity of sitting down and talking to the homeowner now and just hearing what he thinks of the quality, the things that he thought of it when he saw it, when he was looking for a home, and if he would use us in the future if he was going to build another home.
We moved in July of 2016, soon to be 8 years. But we looked at a lot of homes, and this by far was the most appealing for us and our taste. We didn't know who the builder was until I think after we closed on the house. It's a fair amount of square footage, but yet the rooms are compact, and there's a lot of little things about the house that we really like, that they're unique. And a lot of it we just didn't notice until after we had moved in and had lived here for a while. I can't imagine doing this at this point in my life, but if we were to move and there was another home by Pico, I would certainly seriously consider that home.
We pride ourselves in a lot of things here at Pico. Our bread and butter is design, build, remodel, additions, things like that. But we've been building homes for as long as anybody in Wichita. We can remodel, we can do additions, but we can also build world-class homes. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, we're gonna be posting these videos every Wednesday. You're not getting out of it. So like, share, subscribe, comment, engage with it. We would love to get back with you and see what you're thinking of these videos. For all your home improvement needs, choose Pico Builders and Remodelers.